In this video, we're gonna talk about the crypto market crash and some big news going around in the crypto world. Morgan Stanley talking about the power of the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Twitter and Stripe rolling out payments in USDCs for influencers, and Polygon going big in developing the Web 3.0. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of these time-sensitive videos, and smash that like button. Okay, so we had a pretty bloody red day in the market today. We have Bitcoin sitting at 39.7 right now, almost down 2%. Ethereum down 0.5%. BNB actually is up 0.4%. XRP almost down 1%. Solana down 1.25%. Luna is up 2.6%. AVAX 1.3% down. So as you can see, the majority of the top 100 is in red at the moment, and also the crash of today is very correlated to the sell-off, massive sell-off of the US 30. As you can see right here, there's been a cascade of selling order, and that of course reflected into the crypto market as well. So we have Polygon up to almost 2% on the day, and then we have Near Protocol down 0.2%, Litecoin down 1.1%, Tron, he had a big pump yesterday, and today is down 5.6%. And then one of the biggest gainer of the day, it's only Ape. So Ape is gaining a lot of momentum, and also with the big bullish news of their land sale. So there's definitely a lot of attention that is going towards Ape. But pretty much the top 100, most of the coins are in red today. But even though we had this pretty red day in the market, I want to share with you some bullish news coming from one of the biggest financial institutions in the world. So Morgan Stanley stated that Bitcoin Lightning Network is better than debit cards for payments. So they're definitely bullish on the Lightning Network. And the Lightning Network, if you're not familiar with what it is basically a second layer payment solution that happens in the Bitcoin network and allows transaction to settle in a matter of seconds. So their Chief Strategy Officer, Alex Gladstein, basically affirmed that the Visa and MasterCard Power POS and Strike alternatives operate similarly, providing users with real settlement for payment. However, the BTC alternative is much cheaper with better privacy features. And in the following report, it stated that while the benefit for the consumer is that they can, if they want, host their Bitcoin on a private, secure network, allowing an element of privacy associated with the transaction. So as you can see, a lot more institutions are realizing the power of the cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, used for payment methods. So definitely a very bullish news. Also, I want to share with you this pretty interesting chart of the cost of a potato chips in US dollars versus Bitcoin. And as you can see here, you know, over the years, buying a bag of potato chips is going, the price in dollars is going higher and higher, whereas like buying it in Bitcoin is going lower and lower. In fact, probably to buy a bag of potato chips right now it will cost you $5, and in Bitcoin it will cost you 0.0001. So, and also another interesting chart right here on how the same principle applies to the housing market. You know, as the real estate becomes cheaper to buy in Bitcoin versus US dollar, right? So you can, as you can see in this chart, from 2014 and 2015, in order to buy an average home in the US, you would need around 1,000 Bitcoin. And right now, to actually buy an average home in the US, you would only need 8.2 Bitcoin. Whereas with the US dollars, the amount of dollars that you need to actually buy the same house is going higher and trending higher over time. Okay, this is an interesting chart that will help you reflect of having an asset that has a limited supply versus the US dollar, where it's been printed over and over again, increasing the supply and of course decreasing the purchasing power of the asset itself. Also, another very bullish news for the day is that Twitter and Stripe are rolling out a USDC payout program for creators via Polygon. So in addition to the payments to bank accounts and debit cards, select content creator can now elect to have USDC earnings sent to their wallet. So as you can see, even more social medias are implementing and exploring crypto payments, and they're starting with paying influencers and creators in crypto. As you can see here, Stripe on their Twitter accounts, they were showing that the Twitter payouts can come from bank accounts, debit card, and also crypto wallets. So definitely a very bullish news that it's coming today. And the last big news for the day is that Polygon announces the launch of a supernet chain with 100 million allocation for Web 3.0 developers. Polygon has been playing a massive role in the gaming industry because a lot of gaming coins and different projects are running on the Polygon network because of its scalability, low fees, and also the interconnectivity with Ethereum by being a layer 2 solution of the Ethereum. So as you can see, also that reflected into the price action of today for Polygon, because they had Stripe that was announcing using Polygon for paying Twitter creators, right? And also Polygon itself announcing these dedicated chains that they will allow the development of Web 3.0. Okay. So this is pretty bullish news for Polygon. I'm a big proponent of the Polygon network. I solved a lot of problems for a lot of projects in terms of like gas fees and also reducing the congestion on the Ethereum network. And I'm very bullish on the project itself. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick market update and news update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified about these time-sensitive videos, and smash that like button and let me know in the comment below whether you are bullish on Polygon and also on the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and if, in your opinion, can be a valid payment system in the future, even for you to go and buy a coffee. All right? Let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next.